Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So Intel display driver cursing line is after screen replacement. So guys, first need to click to start and type device manager. Open it. Then extract display. Right click to update driver and search automatically. And then close it. Then find out monitor. Extract. Select this. Right click update. Okay, and then close it. Then open any browser. Then type download for Windows. Then first link the Intel driver, click on it, scroll down, graphic graphic driver. This is 11th, and you can find out your which is you using, which is one, and you can search here your model number. So like this is your graphic card, click to download. After that it will start downloading and it will take some time. Then it is completed. Just single click to open. Now this is started. It will take some time, depend about your installations process. Then next, check the reference rate. Now after that, this is showing error need to .NET and click to download. So click to start, go to setting, refresh rate, click on system, display, then slow down, advanced option. After that select reference rate. If the wrong reference rate is selected, display artifact may cursor. Okay, then close it. So enter this command and then it will start the percentage. When it is completed 100%, then try to second one, then type sfc scan now and then hit enter. Okay, so it is started. When it is all process is completed, then need to restart and then please check it. Thank you.